Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you that how to reset this Apple Watch. Actually this SE variant, second generation Apple Watch. Let's come on guys, just open it up first, and for first thing what you need to do means just go to settings and then scroll down. Oh sorry, yeah, here you can see here's the general. Click on that and then scroll down, and here you can see the option called reset. Just click on that, and here you can see here's the option. Here is all content and settings. Just click on that, and here you can see it will remove everything, complete reset. Okay, just come on, it's time to erase all. Just click on this, it's resetting. Just we need to wait guys. This is see second generation smartwatch guys, actually Apple Watch. Okay, it seems it's booty camp. I think it's still loading. Just we need to wait guys. And here you can see it's something. This is circular is loading actually. I think everything the settings all got resetted, it seems. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, Apple logo is came. I think reset is got completed, I think. Okay, you can see again it's loading. You can see it's resetting. Just we need to wait guys. And okay guys, here you can see it's got completed, and it is asking again to pair, to bring your iPhone closer to this Apple Watch to pair. That's it guys. Likewise you can do a reset guys of this Apple Watch SE second generation. And okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. Let's say we'll see you in next video.